Hey y'all, Steve with SBL Games. Just been uploading like crazy today, but I'm giving you guys a mixture of short videos that are really quick and to the point, as well as the raw, unedited videos where literally from front to back, beginning to end, every screw turn I upload. Let me know what you guys like. Let me know what you want to see more of. I haven't been getting a lot of feedback, unfortunately. I know I'm not a new channel exactly, but I kind of treat it as a new channel though, because although I've had the channel for like, I don't know, 13 years or however long, 12 years, I haven't really been very active on it, and that's my fault, not your guys's. So just let me know what you guys like, and I could adapt and give you guys what you need. For now, I'm just kind of doing a little bit of everything, a little bit of long videos, a little bit of short, some kind of in the middle, not very long, not very short. Just let me know. But you guys didn't miss anything much on this. I just took all the little, all the screws out, basically, all the housing, obviously. Um, Now you guys watch me just remove the, what is that, the power supply and fan area. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove this disk drive. This is gonna be an Xbox One X HDMI port replacement, by the way. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this hard drive out. Okay, so now this whole thing, because I already took all the screws out prior, pulls right out. And then we just need to get these clamps off. Come on. Oh crap, it's bending the crap out of my tweezers. Got it bent back. I actually do have a tool, but it's at my office that I use. And yeah, we gotta be careful around that area because that's where all those traces and stuff are. Fun times. I keep forgetting to bring the tool home. Can I? There we go. Come on. There we go. I swear whenever I'm cutting videos, things just, I wouldn't say they go horrible, but they just don't go smoothly as I'd like, obviously. But alright, so we got that clamp off. Now we could pull the whole heat sink off. We will be changing out that compound too, by the way. I don't like how that all came off like that. Dang it. This goes here. That one right here. This one right here. Come on. One right here. Freaking stay. There we go. And finally, one right here. Come on. See, like that, for example. Usually when I pull these off, they all just stay on the heatsink, but since I'm cutting video, they wanted to stick on the board. Alright. Need some. There we go. It is going to be a little weeble wobbly. Sorry for that. Alright. have to go back through before we reassemble and do a better job. I know a lot of people just put compound red over that old compound, and that's just laziness. Alright, so like I said, we'll just come back to that later. This port, this might not need a port after all. Yeah, that port looks beautiful. I'm thinking this is actually going to be a hard drive. I really do. I think it's going to be a hard drive. Everything looks good on here. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and just kind of while we're in here, we're going to replace this compound. I'm going to pause it just in case because I'm going to do a quick hard drive test. If it's not the hard drive, it'll be a retimer and then we could come back. But if it is the hard drive, then I'll just have to abandon this video, unfortunately. But I shall return. I have to do more testing. I thought I had already done my testing. Sorry about that. Uno momento.